guys, and welcome to Fixed Market Strategy. We continue our weekly forecast. So we can see the dollar index here start rising back up. What we do expect next week is a strong fall in the equity market again, just like the one we had last week. We did make a nice live stream. I hope you guys did catch this one. It was really nice. So what we expect is the equity market is going to come down, and the dollar is going to be really strong. Your stop loss will be below right here. Okay. So this kind of the wave we're looking at to take just like up here like this, then a small correction to reduce this area, then to continue going up. Possibly we'll be looking at the 95 level. This probably keep the eye on the 95 here, right here. Your support level at the almost 93 area. Okay, guys. So 93 is your support area. Any break below this one is gonna send us to 91.50, but so far, this is not the case, as the equity market looks like it's going to come down next week. Okay, guys. So this is the first chart we have right here. The second one is going to be the gold. If the dollar is going to go up, then the gold we do expect it to come down. Gold is still in this triangle, guys. As the dollar index is really, we do expect to be strong next week because the equity market is going to fall. So what would you expect this wave to continue all the way down here to 1860 level? This 1860 level is going to be very, very important, because if this is broken, this 1860 is broken, then probably we're going to go like to 1770 or so. Okay, but if we do bounce from here, this is going to offer a really good buy to the up here. Okay, at least to these levels right there, like that. So this wave is expected right now. Then we're going to watch here if we're going to get a reverse or it's going to break. Okay, so you have the two scenarios. You want to kind of take this sell, watch it out here. If it bounces, take the buy from here. There is going to be a breakout to the upside or to the downside from this triangle. It's going to be massive. Watch out if this support is taken at 1860, then the break is going to be very fast. This could be with a vaccine for the coronavirus, and this is profit taken at the end of the year. Okay, guys. The next chart we have here is the oil. Okay, guys. So what we do expect the oil next week to come down. Okay. So the oil is not really going above this level recently. This seems to be a very strong resistance area right here. So this kind of only a selling area. Okay, guys. As a profit taken at the end of the year, no one is probably want to keep a long position in the oil. So you're going to find a pressure to the sell side, especially if the equity market is going to come down as we do expect. So this area 41 or 41.50 is, I think, is good area to start taking sells down here. Okay. Then this will be your area of support. So really you want to take profit at this 38 level. Then if it does retrace a little bit to 39 up here, okay, then you can join this sell again. Okay, so we do expect now 3 waves, 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 waves. I hope this worked out good, guys. Okay, the next one we have is the Dow Jones. So US30 right here in the weekly, in the live stream. Last week, guys, we were kind of here. We said we do expect this to continue up, and that was really nice. Then we came in the live stream and we did give a sell right here, live stream that it was on. Many of you guys did see this one. We did give a sell to 28,200 right here. Okay. Then we came back in the DAX. We gave a sell in the US30 and the DAX. We came back in the DAX and we said buy it here. That was really nice. Right now we want to sell this one. So this sell we do expect it to come all the way down to probably 26,600. Okay, if this is gonna be the profit taken early a little bit, I was expecting this scenario to happen in first week in December, but looks like it's gonna get early this year. Okay, watch out if we do break above this high, then we're gonna go up to probably 30,000 level, but it's gonna fall also again after this one. Okay, guys. Any news about the stimulate package is probably gonna keep pushing the Dow to the upside, but so far with the election, with the fear and everything, this probably is gonna put pressure to the downside. So this is more structured with a double top to the downside next week. So I hope this will work out good. Also, the candle, the close candle in the Friday was really nice. If you look at the daily, it has such a nice candle. It's indicating the reversal is just about to happen. Okay, so this 28,800 area is a good to sell. The next chart we do have right here is the DAX. DAX is very correlated to the Dow Jones. It's just they move very close to each other with a little bit of difference. So the next move is now we're looking at is to the downside. And this is our target here, guys. Okay, the 20,350. So we hope we can get this wave down right here. If it does break to the upside here, you just get out of the trade or use your stop above here, because if this is broken to the upside, so your first target is here, second target is here, but then later on it's gonna fall down again. Probably it's gonna end up here at 12,300 or even lower. Okay, so either way, now we want to take only sell signal. Every time you have a sell signal, you have a rejection, then you want to take a sell. You avoid any buy in the DAX. The next chart we have right here is Japanese indice, NI225, Japan 225, and this is coming down, guys. This possibly will continue to the downside right here, so we do expect a strong wave to the downside. If you look at this one right here, this is going up very slow. This is gonna crash so fast. See, guys, all this area is going to crash so fast. So this is going to fall strongly. Okay, so what does this mean? All the JPY pairs are gonna come down. The next chart we have here is the euro dollar. So the euro dollar here, as you can see, is structured to the downside. It means the dollar index is going to be strong. Your first target will be right here, the 1.1618. But if the dollar index will continue to be really strong, then we're gonna get to the 1.1427 right here, as you can see from this curved structure right here. Okay, guys. So expect next week a strong fall in the euro dollar if the equity market is coming down, because the dollar index is going to be strong. If the dollar index is going to be really strong, it's going to put pressure in the pound dollar, then the pound dollar may fall really hard. Okay, your stop loss should be above this high, but next week we're expecting this strong down wave before a good news from the Brexit, and it's going to send it back up. Okay, so right now we're looking for this down wave to continue lower right here. Possibly we can get to this low right here. Okay, guys, to the 1.25. Anyway, your stop loss would be above right here. So, and you're looking for this down wave, and later on probably we're gonna buy. So this is the structure we have right here so far. That was a strong down wave followed by correction, another down wave followed by correction. Okay, guys, possibly this down wave will continue all the way down here. This is the scenario. Okay, the next chart we have right here is the USDJPY. This probably is going to come down next week with the equity market, so it will be structured to the downside. USD Cad, guys, it's right here. This was a downward channel, just was the dollar index was a little bit deviation because of the oil effect. So, but we only did take a sell from every single high here. I think next week USD Cad will be good for a buy. Okay, guys, so expect next week as a good strong move in the USD Cad. This area is only a buy, so don't take any sell from here. We're looking only for a buy. Probably we're gonna see the 1.35 again. Okay, guys, so the dollar did not weaken to break this low. I don't think it's gonna break it now. I think this is gonna continue going up, and we don't have any downward scenario now. Your stop loss should be probably below this low. You don't want this low is too far away. Only like 100 pips right here, and your target is about 300 pips or so. This is the target area. Okay, the next one is Australian USD. As you guys can see, the Australian USD is going in the downward channel, so that's a signal sell. That's a sell. You don't want to take any buy in Australian USD, only a sell, guys. Australian USD may end up the year at 68 area, so watch out. There is a lot more to fall. This is gonna be falling really fast, guys. Australian usually gets sold off before the end of the year, every year almost like this, sometimes flash crash. Okay, so USD CHF, next week we do expect an upwave in the USD CHF, so this is direction you want to be trading. Your stop loss should be in this area right here at the 90 level, and you want to target either this high or the next high to it. Okay, guys, so this is a setup you should be looking at. New Zealand USD is also like Australian. Okay, guys, this is right here. So this is a big channel. It was moving on. It started to fall in. It did make like last wave right here, as you can see. Okay, then it started falling right here. This fall is expected to be fast, guys. Watch out, this fall is going to be fast. Okay, and this probably is going to come to test this area again right here, like this. So this fall is going to be all the way down to here probably, or possibly we may get the 62 level to see. Okay, guys. So New Zealand USD is only a sell. We don't want to take any buy. You can see this is probably going to be sold off really fast. What does this mean is if you see it going up, don't sell it. So if we zoom it, so what you want to do is if it's going up, you avoid it. Okay, let's say this will come down to go up like this. Okay, so you want to avoid this one. Then when it's coming down, you want to take the sell. Okay, that's what you do. So when we say that coming down or going up, what does it mean is when you trade price action, either you have a trading system or something, then you take the sell signal. So what we expect is this is going to continue going down strong, guys. Okay, so this is coming down strong. The next one is Euro New Zealand. That was a really nice previous forecast. We can show it to you guys. Then this one is going in a sideways big flat correction right here. Okay, guys. So what we do expect is this to continue all the way up here. Okay. If the equity market is going to come down and New Zealand is going to get really, really weak, we do expect also the euro to be weak, but we expect the New Zealand to be much weaker than the euro. So this is going to be a New Zealand move right here. Okay. So we do expect this to continue going up, possibly 1.81 or so. So watch out, Euro New Zealand is structured to continue going up. Your stop loss should be, so this is the wave we're looking at right here, and your stop loss should be right here. We may get a small correction wave first, just like this, then up. Okay, guys, but this is to the upside, not to the downside. So far, your stop loss is here. This entry, you should wait a correction. So we are right here like this. You should wait a correction, and when it starts to going up, you take it, okay, like this, and your stop loss is right here. Don't go for all this stop loss because this is too late. We did give a buy, and the live stream was like almost here. Okay. Anyway, so that's the second wave right here, wave number 3 you want to take. So your stop loss will be below this low, will not be below this low. Okay, then your take profit is 80% of this wave. So you guarantee you're gonna get or as much bips as this one. So you measure how much bips is this wave right here, and you take almost as much. Okay, guys. So Euro New Zealand next week is upside, not downside. The next one is Euro Australian. Euro Australian, the same scenario. So we're looking for a big move upside, guys. Okay. So and this is going to be Australian move, not a Euro move. Okay. Watch out, this is upward the channel in the Euro Australian. So right now we want to take this up move. Possibly we can get a big move to the upside when the equity market is coming down. If the equity market will continue to go up, this is going to come down a little bit, but the next week or the following week will go up. So right now we're looking for the New Zealand and Australian, both of them to be weak, guys. Euro Japanese yen is the same scenario. Just watch out, guys. Here, this is really weak. Okay, so expect a big fall in Euro Japanese yen. As we said last week, would you expect this year to end the Euro Japanese yen at possibly 115, guys? So you guys, this is beautiful shape. You should draw it. Okay, you get almost Euro bound is going also in a big sideways channel. Right now, what we're looking at is a down wave, guys. Down wave. Okay, so only take the down wave in Euro bound. Do not sell it. We do expect both of them to be weak next week as the dollar is going to be strong, but I expect the euro to be weaker than the pound. This probably is going to come fast all the way to fall like this, okay, before it does rise up or anything. So we're looking for this wave to come down. If it does break above this high or so, get out of the trade. CADJPY, we're looking for a strong down move. So this is only a sell, not a buy. Pound Japanese yen, this has one sell to go to continue right here before it will bounce back up, guys. So we're looking for this first sell wave here to continue, and then after this finish, probably we're gonna get up wave like this. This is going to be a bound move. I would prefer you when you buy the pound in the coming days, buy it against pound Australian, pound New Zealand. So pound Australian, pound New Zealand probably are going to be much better, and avoid pound Japanese yen. Okay, guys. That was the end of our forecast. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day. Please make sure you trade safe and don't oversize in your trading. Thank you and have a wonderful day.